Welcome to a video on bookmarking skills. This is a video short in our student organizational shorts video series designed to help us learn how to get organized. How do we bookmark? We can do it in a variety of different ways. If we are on the page that we want to bookmark, we can hit Control D on our keyboard. That is the shortcut. Shortcuts are nice. If you don't remember, we can always click the star. That will also bookmark for the page that we are on. And my favorite is to click, hold, and drag the lock that shows up next to the web address. Any one of these bookmarks we can edit the name of. Right-click, edit, so that we can shorten up things and have a little bit more space on our bookmarks bar. It's important to note your students are on Chromebooks. That means they don't actually have a right-click unless they have a mouse hooked up. So for a student on a Chromebook, it is going to be a slight two-finger tap on the keypad, and it will bring up the same menu here. On this same menu, when you right-click or two-finger tap on a Chromebook, you have the Add Folder option. This is important for students who have multiple courses. Let's call this Social Studies. Any bookmarks then in this folder can be added, dragged in the same way. So let's go ahead and say this is my Social Studies class. I'm going to click, hold, and drag. And what else is it that I might use for that class every day? Probably a textbook, perhaps. Perhaps if I'm taking digital notes, maybe I'll have a Google Doc that I want to also store inside of this folder. Again, very simple. Wherever you are, just click, hold, and drag the lock. Or if you forget the lock, you can always bookmark it and drag it into the same folder. But how do we get our students easily to the things that we want them to have to our course? My suggestion, create an assignment. Create an assignment in Google Classroom that has all the links that you want them to go to. Give them a video using Screencastify to show them how to bookmark. Kids go to Skyward to check their grades. There's my Skyward link. I'm going to drop it in. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to get rid of the name because I know what the Skyward logo means. That's grades. Go to Mail. I could be 2 clicks away from Mail most of the time, but how about I'm just 1 click away? Add, edit. I know what that envelope means. That's Mail. Whatever it is that you want your students to have, teach them to Control D is the shortcut, click the star, or drag and drop, and don't forget to edit to clean things up. Have a fantastic day.